Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see about in the topic of online course for students to improve skills in our life in 2022. All the technologies are improving. If you need any jobs, you must have skills depend upon job which job you are going. So you need to learn your skills to get a job, work, and good work, good company. So improve your skills. I will show the important advanced skills to get a job in current IT industry. If you know these jobs now, you will surely get monthly 40 to 50,000 in current industry as a software developer. So if you need any jobs or need to go in the job, better job, get want to get better back package, you need to study these languages, and sure you will get job with the highest packages. These are the languages: HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB. If you study these languages, you can go to the company with the position of full stack developer. This full stack developer um, develop a full stack project including front end and a back end and a database. All includes all will come under full stack development. So this full stack developers are mostly wanted in current now in IT industry. So if you study this, surely you will get a job with highest package. These languages are we give training to learn these technologies. So if you want this training for HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, if you want this training to learn these languages, please comment on this video. We will move on and connect with us, and we will give you the training and further details. If you have any doubts on this video, please comment on this video. Okay, thank you, bye.